Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I cook pumpkin in a pressure cooker. Now this is the pressure cooker that I use. It's an ASD brand, and I'm using 2 steaming trays to steam the pumpkin in so they're not sitting in water and they get steamed fully. I get my pumpkin. This is a Chinese pumpkin. It looks like a squash. I'm not sure what the actual real name of it is in English, but it's a beautiful orange colour on the inside. It's got this like fleshy pink colour on the outside. So what I do is I chop the pumpkin into 4 quarters, and then I scrape the seeds out. And if you're like me and you like to keep seeds and grow from seed, and then this is one way that you can do it. You just use a spoon and you just scrape the pulp that contains the seeds. I put them in a little plate. Those pulpy bits are quite stringy, and then I cut each segment into half and then I peel them. It's important to have a good peeler when you're peeling these types of fruit. Pumpkin is actually a fruit, not a vegetable. And then I stack them into the pressure cooker in a particular way, and then I seal the lid of the pressure cooker so it clicks into place. Put the gas on, and I'm cooking the pumpkin at a medium heat, not too high, and then I put the weight on top. While the water is boiling, I go to the seeds and I sieve them out, and I separate them by putting them in a bowl of water and using the tea sieve to capture all the seeds. Here you can see me just scooping up all the pulp and then picking out the seeds individually, and then I re-wash the seeds again and I pick them out by using the sieve, so that gradually I refine the process in terms of making sure I have the minimum amount of pulp and the maximum amount of seeds. At this point you can see the steam coming out of the top of the pressure cooker where the weight is, and I will now set a timer on my phone to cook the pumpkin for 3 minutes. That's all it needs, and while that's heating up and cooking, I put the seeds on some tissue, spread them out, and then just allow them to dry. Now what you can do with these seeds is you can take them out individually and eat the pumpkin seeds inside. They'll be a dark green colour or a green colour, or you can save them for later and grow them as your own fruit. That's what my plan is, and hopefully I'll be making a vlog on that later. 3 minutes have gone by, so what I do is I switch the heat off and I allow it to cool down for 35 minutes, which allows it more time to cook and steam. And then I put it to one side, I take it off the heat, I take the weight off. Once 35 minutes are up, I open it up, and then you can see that the pumpkin is slightly reduced because it's cooked. I lift it out of the pressure cooker, and then I put it on a plate and allow it to cool down, and I'll incorporate it into a salad, and then I'll eat it and enjoy it. And that's how you pressure cooker a pumpkin in 3 minutes.